Maslow's hierarchy of needs, proposed by psychologist Abraham Maslow in his 1943 paper, A Theory of Human Motivation, is a psychological theory that explains human motivation through a series of hierarchical needs. The hierarchy is often depicted as a pyramid with 5 levels, each representing different categories of needs. According to Maslow, people are motivated to fulfill these needs in a specific order, starting with the most basic physiological needs and moving up to the highest level of self-actualization. The most basic and essential needs for human survival are physiological needs. Without these needs being met, the human body cannot function properly. They include air, breathing and oxygen, water, hydration, food, nutrition and sustenance, shelter, protection from the elements, sleep, rest and recovery, clothing, protection and warmth, reproduction, continuation of the species. Meeting these needs is crucial for survival and forms the foundation of Maslow's hierarchy of needs. Once these are satisfied, individuals can move on to higher levels of the pyramid, seeking safety, love, esteem, and ultimately, self-actualization. After meeting physiological needs, the focus shifts to safety and security. This includes protection from physical harm, ensuring a safe environment. Economic stability is crucial, providing a sense of financial security. Access to healthcare and wellness resources is essential for overall safety. Insurance and protections guard against unforeseen events. Friendship is about companionship and trust. It fulfills our need for emotional connections and mutual support. Intimacy involves emotional and physical closeness, providing a deeper connection that fosters love and understanding. Family offers a sense of connection and support, grounding us with unconditional love and shared experiences. Belonging to social groups, clubs, or communities gives us a sense of belonging and shared identity. Esteem needs are divided into 2 categories. The first is esteem for oneself, which includes dignity, achievement, mastery, and independence. The second category is reputation or respect from others, encompassing status, prestige, and recognition. Meeting these needs results in feelings of self-confidence and worth, while failure to meet them can lead to feelings of inferiority and helplessness. Self-actualization is the pinnacle of Maslow's hierarchy, where individuals realize their full potential. Achieving personal aspirations and fulfilling one's potential are key aspects of self-actualization. It's about setting and reaching meaningful goals. Engaging in creative activities allows individuals to express themselves and explore their talents, fostering self-fulfillment. Continuous self-improvement and personal development are essential for self-actualization, driving individuals to become their best selves. Moments of intense joy, creativity, and fulfillment, known as peak experiences, are vital for achieving self-actualization.